Good day again, everyone. This is Sam from Samsonio. Today, your number one best trader. All right, so today I'm going to be telling you something that is possibly going to help you um, in some part of your trades. All right, now every single day we trade, there is I could say that there is usually or normally a battle between um, the retail traders and the institutional traders. All right, now the most common concept is to follow the money, all right, to follow the big market movers and all that. But a lot of traders, a lot of retail traders actually do not really understand what this concept means. There are a lot of things incorporated in this particular concept of following the big money, following big traders, all right. Now, one thing you should know is the psychology behind pending orders and instant orders. All right. And I'm going to be explaining a bit of why institutional traders use more pending orders than instant orders. As a matter of fact, the instant orders are possibly, I could say, they were made for retail traders. All right. And most of which are what makes you lose more money in this market. Okay. Now, you could ask so sorry, I'm back. So you could ask, how could your instant orders make you lose trades? Now I'm going to be explaining the whole psychology behind those things, pending orders and instant orders. But before I go to those explanations, I just need you to take a bit and take a look at some of my trades I have here running. Okay, this is for educational purpose. I just need to one thing I need to see is that most of my trades are from tops and bottoms, and actually throughout my entire career in trading, this is all I've ever wanted. All right, to pick trades from the best place possible. That is all I've ever wanted, and I paid for a lot of classes. I attended a lot of meetings and a lot of trainings, and then I discovered it was not in that. Okay, but that's not the topic for today. All right, so like I said, if you discover my tricks are mostly from tops and bottoms, I've just show you your GPP here. You could see the peak out here. All right, the peak out here. All right, I'm expecting the better upward move. Okay, this is Euro AUD. I just entered this morning. You could see from the lowest part possible. That's one of the lowest parts on the weekly time frame. But the issue is not just picking any lowest part. The issue is picking the right lowest part to trade from. All right, and this was a pending order right here. All these trades were pending orders. Okay, that were triggered yesterday and this morning. All right, now, like I was saying, what is the psychology behind pending orders and instant orders? All right, now I usually tell my my mentees that you see trading is like hunting. Okay, and how do hunters hunt? How do hunters trail their animals? What do they do? um how do professional hunters do? Now a hunter actually goes into the woods or into the forest or the bush, and what does he do? Sometimes he stays like days, all right, trying to monitor the animal, trying to look into possibilities, all right, trying to set traps, trying to set how do I want to put it? Set he has options to him, all right. I, I don't find it hard difficult to explain. So he has his options, all right. He has different possibilities he's looking at. Okay, so if this game goes this way, What do I? How do I do? If it turns around, what do I do? All right. So he doesn't just go into the woods and attack. All right. He goes, he settles. All right. Sometimes he even builds a tent in the woods. All right. He monitors these animals. All right. Sometimes days. Okay. That is the way trading should be. All right. Now, many traders lose money because of these instant orders. Okay, so you just wake up in the morning and you just open your chart and you're seeing price moving up and you say, oh wow, price is buying, and you just click instant market execution, instant order, and you load it with one lot, one standard lot, and you buy. All right, then you start seeing some funny retracement and all that. Okay, now don't get me wrong, your analysis might be correct, all right, but then what institutional traders do is they have already plotted their entries days and weeks and months before price gets to that entry. All right, now what does that help you do? It helps you relax. Now nobody will tell you this. Okay, nobody will tell you this. Okay, now what that helps you do is it helps you relax. Okay, now one thing you need in trading is the ability to relax. All right, another thing you need is the ability to exercise a lot of patience. Okay, so this is what these pending orders teach you. All right, they teach you the ability to relax, they teach you the ability to be patient, and they teach you the ability to be calculative, be precise. Okay, because you don't just set a pending order anywhere, you set it in precise locations. All right, uh so they teach you to be precise. Okay, so these are what pending orders do. Now what do market executions, what the instant orders do? They put you in a state of rush. Okay, they put you in in how do I want to put it? Okay, they put you in a state of rush, yeah. And now market execution does not allow you think, all right, before you trade. Does not give you that space to think before placing trades. All right. Now it makes trading look like a rat race. Okay, so you just see a buy here. Oh yes, we're buying. Bah. You go next, see, oh, we're buying. Oh no, no, you're selling, and you jump in. All right. What are you doing? You're running around this market. But if you have your pending orders at strategic areas, you will come to understand that it's not every move on the chart that is tradable. It's not every move on the chart that is important. All right, there are certain areas. Okay, if you notice on the chart that there are areas where price just gets through and drop drastically, like you could see area like this. All right, it drop from here to this place almost, let's say, 100 pips. Okay, and this did not take up to 4 hours, or rather, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, just about 3, 4 hours. All right, and it covered the move that took place from this point to this point in weeks. Do you get my point? All right, so pending orders, if you set it in the right places, enable you into your trades into your trades at the right point if you know how to set it. Okay, and that is actually what we teach in our mentorship program. Okay, so you could sign up, you could send me an email at samsonilive@gmail.com, or you could get my details from the video description below. All right, I'll be expecting you. Okay, so I hope you learned something today. Okay, so see you some other time in another video. Bye. This is Samson Ltd.